Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So use something soft like a soft brush, and you can also use compressed air, but I recommend using the soft brush. It's much more efficient. And if you use something metallic, then you can only damage the port, and this will be the reason why your microphone is not working. So what you guys can do first before starting it all out, so after you clean it, then you guys can simply open up the apps here and you guys can search for the recorder. Now here, as you guys can see, let me quickly click on next and start. Here, let's give permissions to the app, and now we can basically check if our microphone is working. So that's what we can do. Now what we can do next is we can check the software updates to fix any issues with the microphone. Basically, when you're running an older version of your software, then there's a lot of glitches and bugs, so you guys want to definitely update as soon as the new update drops. So go over to the settings. Now in those settings, what you guys want to do is scroll down, and here we will have something called the software update. It's almost at the bottom. Now what we can do is we can go over to download and install, and it will check for updates automatically. As you guys can see, my software is up to date, so I do not have to worry about anything. But if yours is not up to date, then I recommend you guys updating it. It might be the issue why your microphone is not working. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.